Yeah. Uh, yeah. Late night, dark thought, smile wide, but my mind low. They don't see what I fight through. Insecurity talking when the lights off. Yeah. Insecurity was realized to me. Tell me I ain't enough, try to rob my peace. I've been running from that, but they follow me. Whole world watching now, still alone with me. Insecurity, all this pressure on me. Money coming fast, but it don't set me free. I done leveled up, still question me. When you come from nothing, that's the recipe, yeah. Came from the bottom with a hope then. Every win feel fake when you're so thin. They clap hands, but I don't feel safe. Cause the same one smiling got a cold grin. I remember nights I was starving. Now they watching every move I'm charting. Paranoia riding shotguns. Success heavy yet come with caution. I don't trust love, I don't trust words. Seen loyalty break for a small purse. If I show fear, they gon' smell it. So I move tough even when it hurt. Yeah. Insecurity talking louder now. Crowded rooms, but I'm not around. All this ice don't cool me down. Still feel heat with my thoughts around. Insecurity, yeah, know my name. Bring my past up when I'm doing great. Tell me slow down, tell me wait. But I made it out, I can't escape. I be questioning the intention. Love feel real, but I need protection. Every blessing got a lesson. Every win come with reflection. Mama say pray, keep faith. But trauma talking every day. Always success, like armor. Two with them bleed when you can't see pain. I done lost friends, lost sleep, lost trust, found cold streets. Now they say I'm changing. I just learned what it cost me. If I let my guard down, will I fall again? If I show my scars, will you call me weak? I've been strong so long, I forgot to heal. Now my biggest enemy is me. Pressure made diamonds, but it cracked me too. Had to cut some ties, yeah, I had to lose. When you elevate, they start acting new. Smile in your face, want your spot too. I don't brag much, I survive loud. From the dark days to a bright crowd. Insecurity, hate confidence, but I still stand when the lights out. Insecurity, I see you clear. I ain't perfect, but I'm still here. All the sweaters, I still persevere. Turn my pain into souvenirs. Insecurity won't control me. I've been broke, I've been lonely. If I fall, I get back up. I ain't healed, but you don't own me. Yeah. Still fighting myself, but I made it this far, and that gotta mean something, yeah. Late nights, dark thought, smile wide with my mind lost. You don't see what I fight through. Insecurity, talk when the lights on. Insecurity, you still lie to me. Tell me I ain't enough, try to rob my peace. I've been running from my doubts, but they follow me. Whole world watching now, still alone with me. Insecurity, all this pressure on me. Money coming fast, but it don't set me free. I done leveled up, still questioning me. When you come for nothing, that's a recipe. Insecurity, I see you clear. I ain't perfect, but I'm still here. All the way, I still persevere. Turn my pain into a souvenir. Insecurity, you won't control me. I've been broke, I've been lonely. If I fall, I get back up. I ain't healed, but you don't own me, yeah. Came from the bottom with a hope then. Every win feel fake when you're so thin. They clap hands, but I don't feel safe. Cause the same one smiling got a cold grin. I remember nights I was starving. Now they watching every move I'm charting. Paranoia ride around the shotgun. Success heavy, lawyer come with caution. I don't trust love, I don't trust words. Seen loyalty break for a small purse. If I show fear, they gon' smell it. So I move tough even when it hurt. Insecurity up, insecurity up. Insecurity talking louder now. Crowded rooms, but I'm not around. All this ice don't cool me down. Still feel heat with my thoughts around. Insecurity, yeah, know my name. Bring my past up when I'm doing great. Tell me slow down, tell me wait. But I made it out, I can't escape, yeah. I be questioning intentions. Love feel real, but I need protection, yeah. Every blessing got a lesson. Every win come with reflections. Mama say pray, keep faith. But trauma talking every day. I wear success like armor. Still bleeding where you can't see pain. I done lost friends, lost sleep, lost trust, found cold streets. Now they say I'm changing. I just learned what it cost me. If I let my guard down, will I fall again? If I show my scars, will you call me weak? I've been strong so long, I forgot to heal. I'm my big head is scaring me. Insecurity out, but it cracked me too. Had to cut some ties, yeah, I had to lose. When you elevate, they start acting new. Smile in your face, want your spot too. I don't brag much, I survive loud. From the dark days to a bright crowd. Insecurity, hate confidence, but I still stand when the lights out. Insecurity, I see you clear. I ain't perfect, but I'm still here. All this weight, I still persevere. Turn my pain into souvenirs. Insecurity, you won't control me. I've been broke, I've been lonely. If I fall, I get back up. I ain't healed, but you don't know me. Yeah, still fighting myself, but I made it this far, and that gotta mean something.